Hey everybody! So I have an unboxing for you today. This is the brand new Wild Whisper Palm Paradise collection. This will be released today, November 1st. It is a smaller collection, so there isn't die cuts or lots of embellishments. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do so that I can get some really nice full layouts. So these are the flares. You can get these flares that come with. They're super duper cute. These little parrots are adorable, and they're actually inspired by a real parrot. How cool is that? Okay, so some really cute elements here. This is a really kind of summery layout, and true story, I actually set aside in my pictures some so as part of the design team, we get to see these lines months before before they're released. And sometimes we even get them in our hands months before they're released. So I saved some really fun pictures from the summertime, like July, August, that I'm going to go ahead and use with this collection. So that's going to be really, really fun. So this is a really nice collection. I got the double pack of paper and I got the flares, and those are the embellishments. There's no stamp set or anything. This is like a mini release. So let's go ahead and take a look at these adorable papers. And then I'm going to show you one of the things that I pulled out to use with this collection for sure. And I think I'm going to pull some washi. I think I'm going to pull some stencils. I have this really big washi from Altenew that has these big, beautiful flowers on it. And so I'm going to kind of mix in stuff from my stash to play along for this month for my design team projects. Okay, so first we have this one with all of the parrots on it. So cute. And then the back is cactuses. Let me see if you can see that. Yep. Okay. This one is palm trees, nice black and white print. And then the back is, I don't know what this is. It looks like mosaic tile maybe, but it's so cute. I love it. I love these kinds of textural, neutral papers to use as backgrounds. We have these beautiful hibiscus flowers. These are lovely. I think these would be super fun to fussy cut. And then the back is like a pink color, and it says things like sunshine on my mind, palm paradise, tan lines. Really, really cute. This one is water, lots of water. This is one of those gorgeous papers that is generally from a photograph that either Susie or Heather takes, and then they make it into a paper, and I love it. It's really, really pretty. And then the back is all this fruit. Gorgeous. We have watermelons and pineapples and oranges, and really cute and fun. And I love all the branding strips. This branding strip's a toucan. Lots of different fun branding strips. This is another cactus paper, but this is black and white. The other one's really like green. And then this one, again, this is beautiful mosaic tile. And if I had to guess, I don't know this for sure, but if I had to guess, I would say this is one of the photos that Heather took when she was recently over the summer in Italy, because it just has that look to it. So that's probably, and I know in past collections like the book collection, there are photos like that of things that she had taken in Italy. So really cool background. Love the mosaic. This one is a really easy, simple black and white stripe, easy to use. And then the back of this is the cut-apart sheet. So, because this is a smaller collection, this cut-apart sheet is going to be like your best friend ever, because you have lots of little things you can cut out and fussy cut and use to go along with your scrapbooking. Your collections, you can make your own little embellishments. You can add, fussy cut one of these squares, add some sequins, maybe a phrase sticker from your stash, and you have a little clustered embellishment ready to go. And then I got a double pack of paper, which I'm super happy about, because that means I can kind of play and and I can fussy cut some things, makes it a lot easier also to scrapbook. So this is the Palm Paradise collection, guys. It's going to be so much fun to play with this. My plan is I'm going to go through my Wild Whisper stamps and kind of pull some things that I think will match. I'm going to use this nice big roll of washi tape because it just goes perfectly. And then I'm going to pull out some of my mixed media products and do a background or two and lots of fussy cutting. If you're interested in this collection, you can get it from the shop today. You can use my discount code, which you will find down below. That will save you a little bit of money off of your order. They also have, there's so many gorgeous collections in the shop, and they do have free shipping if you order $100. And I always kind of push that because you can, so it's November. So if you have been like wanting different collections, I say go right over to the shop, just buy it all. Then you're set for the rest of next year. And, get to your $100 because then you can get free shipping. Is it $100 or is it $60? No, I think it's $100. So if I'm wrong, that's okay. You'll still get free shipping. All right. Everyone have a fabulous, fabulous day. I'm so excited to get into these lovely, summery, gorgeous colors and, scrapbook some bright and cheery pages because it is very rainy and gray and cold here. So, all right, see y'all later. Bye.